Okay, so almost part will be assembled like this position. 1 minute. Translate. Somewhere here, okay. Little bit down. Okay. So here this car axis is not okay. Okay. So now this will be a position of the part, okay. So how this is going to be operated. So like suppose this is a recliner handle or HA handle. So some angle will be there or rotation angle. So generally in HA handle we kept around 26 degree, maximum 18 to 26 degree. So suppose this is the pivot here, okay. So this will be the operating angle around 18 to 24 or 26, okay. But when you are going for interview, that time you have to be very specific, okay. If you have design, so how much angle you have to mention there, okay. So you have to specific that time. You can consider 22, 18, okay, whatever, any one fixed value, okay. Only that if you give them a fixed value, then only they will be confident that you have really worked on this part, okay. Okay, otherwise they will ask you some other rotation angle, okay. So don't go for that, just be with specific value, okay. And then they will ask you to they won't ask you to draw any section, but you can just draw the section, okay. Then your conversation will go more, okay, on this part. Suppose if I'm taking this section, okay, let's take the section. So go on the position, click here, okay. This Z is taking Y and Y is taking Z. The vertical, okay, horizontal, okay. So actually this is not visible proper, this line is not visible properly, that you can see the black line, okay. So now what will be the measurements? Suppose this is your HA handle, it's looking from this view, it's looking very down, okay. So suppose this is your side shield, okay, this will come on the side shield like this, okay. And you have to draw the section that time when interviewer will ask, even they won't ask you to draw a section, but you have to draw, okay. So this will be the hooking space, your finger is coming from this way, right, okay. So this space, this is important measurement are these, they should be minimum 20 mm, worst condition 20 to 25, okay, this is the range, but in worst condition this should be 20, okay. Maximum time we don't get any more much distance here, okay. This 20 maximum, in maximum cases we got suppose this will be your door, okay. You have to draw a door section also, okay. So this is your door section, so they will ask you what will be the distance from this door, okay. If you didn't draw, they won't ask anything about, okay. So you have to draw, so that time this will be minimum 30 to 40 mm, okay, but 40 is the best, okay. Again be with one specific value, okay. The range is, this is the worst condition and this is the best condition actually, okay. This is the worst, 30 is the worst condition, because when you are operating this, okay, there should be some distance about 30 mm. 30 mm is nothing, if you check properly. Okay, this is 30 mm is not nothing. I think this much if I draw here now, this will be 30 mm, right? Only this much, right? So this finger hooking space, that is for comfort. Okay, otherwise suppose this is very less, 10 mm, even you can't hook your finger here. So how you will operate this? Okay, so minimum distance, minimum this height we need 20 mm. Okay, and for side shield, if I zoom here, this gap, okay, the gap with the side shield, okay, this is okay. I'm taking one more section. Gap with the side shield. So this is the section for side shield. Okay, so this should be some maximum time. This will be in touch condition, like 1 mm. Okay, so how this will be in touch condition? There will be a rubber block, little bit rubber will be there. Okay, just a rib of rubber. Okay, so it won't create the noise. Okay, वो clear है? यहाँ पे एक rubber लगता है, max not for every case. Okay, but where we don't have this, we have some scratch rib on the side shield. So how it will be the scratch rib? 1 minute, why it's not working? Okay, so on side shield only this kind of scratch rib will be there. Okay, and the distance will be, this will be in touching condition, this HA handle, and again this is our hooking space. This is very important. Okay, and sometime your side shield is like this. Okay, from the down, so that time, okay, at downmost conditions, because this is going this side in this direction, right? This is the design position, and again this is going some angle downward. Okay, maybe it's not, if it's not going, then this distance should be 6 to 8 mm. Okay, 6 to 8 mm from downward condition. Okay,
ये नीचे वाली क्या है?
if
नीचे वाली
your
वो
side
साइड
shield design is look like this, okay, I will draw again. Your side shield is sometimes like this. Okay, like this.
ओके
So this is your space for HA handle. So this gap should be, see, plastic to plastic movement. I already told you, okay, 2-3 months before. Moving plastic to fixed plastic, gap should be minimum 5 mm. Okay, so you can apply that 5 mm. Okay, 8, 10, that is, oh, that is much better. Okay, and again, if some operating will be there, okay, there will be a cutout. Okay, there will be a cutout with the on the this plastic side shield. We have seen already, I think, on our side shield this cutout we have. है ना, फर्स्ट साइड शील्ड की थी हमने, आई थिंक दैट इज दैट वन. यस
हाँ
यस, ओके, दैट वन. So again now, and thickness again we have 2.5 mm. Okay, and if I zoom here, this area, this is for metal. Okay, so metal will be there like this metal hook. Okay, so the ribs you can see here, so these rib will be on touch, in touch condition, or
इधर मेटल
yes, be touch condition in metal. Okay, and we'll go on the part level. Okay, now so how this part is going to be assembled? Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, so this will be the position, right, from the side view. If I'm looking from the y direction, okay, this is the proper position of the part. Okay, from the side view it will look exactly same. Now you can see this axis is okay for this, right? So tooling direction will be y, main MTD, right? And how this part is going to be assembled?